Excellencies, dear colleagues and friends, ever since the COVID-19 was declared a pandemic close to 1 year ago, we have put up a valiant fight against the disease with our collective efforts to suppress transmission, prevent illness, and reduce deaths. Allow me to thank the member nations that despite the wide disparity in their epidemiological trends, we are on the verge of defeating the pandemic by adopting a preemptive, proactive, and collaborative strategy. I must take this opportunity to acknowledge all member states for acting with speed and scale during the rapidly evolving pandemic and displaying solidarity to help each other on a bilateral as well as a multilateral basis. The hard work and determination demonstrated by the countries have saved countless lives amid the ongoing response. It may only be befitting and proper for all of us to once again pay our respect to those brave men and women who have sacrificed themselves in the pandemic and those who are continuing to fight relentlessly and selflessly. The past year, 2020, has been the year of science, when the best of humanity has shone through the gloom that descended upon us due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The situation demanded setting up of a major global collaborations so that scientists could share their expertise. For this, governments, businesses, and philanthropic organizations got together to start committing resources. Therefore, it was not just the progress in science that became remarkable, but the international collaboration that ensured widespread benefits. The biggest success of this pandemic has been the teamwork and people putting the right outcome ahead of individual glory. Healthcare organizations actually focused on delivering a meaningful goal, whether it was across a nation, across a continent, or across the world. Our science and healthcare communities have exhibited that we can meet any pace, retain the quality of our diagnostics and care, build confidence and trust that speed doesn't mean lack of quality.